Have you ever wondered
how to launch yourself into space using poo?
So in our last short form video, we talked about how you had to poo at 6.3 million meters per second to reach escape velocity.
Let's break the science down about how to launch yourself into space using poo.
Now we got that number using a physics principle called the conservation of momentum. In a nutshell, what goes down must push you up. Rockets use this principle by blasting hot gas downwards. In return, they fly upwards. Momentum is sort of like karma. What you put out is what you get back, but this time for motion. So, if I want to yeet myself into space at escape velocity, which is about 11 kilometers per second, and I weigh about 85 kilograms, I would need a matching amount of momentum going downwards.
The average poo is about this big, which is about 0.15 kilograms.
So to balance the scales, I would need to shoot out that poo like a railgun at 6.3 million meters per second, 21 times faster than the Earth orbits the Sun. Now how far would I have travelled by the time the poo hits the ground? Only 1 millimetre. Now let's assume that I launched that poo in 0.2 seconds. My poor glutes would need to unleash a force of 4.75 million newtons. That would be like being able to punch with the force of a rocket engine. That's some Viltrumite level strength there. The poo would pack 3 trillion joules, or about 720 kilograms of TNT. To fuel it, I would need to metabolize a whopping 500,000 Big Macs. Now, if you want to know what those Big Macs would look like to scale, it would look something like this. This stack is about 10 meters wide, 9 meters deep, and over 6 meters tall.
However, there may be some unintended consequences of our poo rocket launch.
Now, as the poo hits the ground, it releases all of its kinetic energy as heat. Now, as soon as it touches the ground, it will vaporize nearly everything nearby, including myself. So by trying to launch myself into space using poo, I would create an explosion that would completely consume me and a lot of the stuff around me, leaving behind a crater that's about 21 meters wide. So while it's pretty impractical to launch yourself into space using poo, the science behind it is pretty cool.